Okay, so I thought I'd do something different today. Give you the behind the scenes look. This is a big shower, and I thought I'd give you guys a look, just for something different. So to what happens, you know, when I'm actually in a shower and how I set things up when I can. This is the shower I'm working on. This is actually, see this, how there's a drain pipe there. This floor is actually already installed. The entire floor is already installed, and there's also heat on this bench seat and on the shower floor here. And the wire comes out here, and this is going to go connected over to here. So I'm going to run it down here. So these are the 12, no, these are actually 10 by 24 inch tiles, and I'm using the leveling system to install it. I got my thin set mixed up here, ready to go around the window. My wet cell's over here. Got a vacuum, some levels, a laser level, and that was beeping because it's not set right. And I got my tile cutter here. This is the tub that goes in the shower over there. This is the tile. The white tile goes on the ceiling. Over there, the drill, some other parts, bull nose, test the wire, make an ohm meter, multimeter. I could just use this one if I wanted to, but I also have the ohm meter, and I don't have the thermostat yet. So this is the bathroom. So the marble is on for the sill, and the marble is also on over here. I just covered it up, and so I'm just going to continue with this shower. Finish that up, and then continue on with the ceiling, and then the floor, which is actually going to be two colors, I think 10-inch hexagons. So that's the rest of the bathroom. So this is the thin set I'm using. Through the set, empty bags make for good trash bags. Put a vacuum on site. Through the set. Keep everything under the wet saw tool bag. So that's it. I'm going to keep on going now, installing this shower. Big, huge, enormous shower. $10 feet by 6 feet. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm actually still working on this shower. I will upload a time lapse of the complete shower when I'm done. I will also upload several how-to videos, and there are already a couple of videos about this shower online as well. So as always, don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the little bell notification next to the subscribe button so that you get notified when I upload new videos. And please check me out on Patreon. I do exclusive stuff for my patrons, and I actually just uploaded a short little tip about niches to that site, the Patreon site. Check me out. If you can support me, that would be really fantastic. And one last thing, leave your comments in the comment section below, and thanks for watching. So almost forgot, I also have now available downloadable PDFs for a fee, which has very important information on installing floors. The one that I have available right now is general guidelines for the installation of floor tile. Some good stuff in there. You can check that out. I'll leave the link in the description also for that. Thanks a lot.